What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a small little upgrade to my truck here. So this is my 2023 Chevy Silverado 2500, and we're going to be upgrading the lights on this truck today. So this is a work truck model. It comes with halogen lights and they're really bad. So I got a little comparison I'll show you guys here in a minute, but these are only cost like $40, so I'm going to try these out. These are Headlight scope park. I don't even know what that top part is, but made by Headlight. Seems like a lot of people like to use the, I think they're called LasFit lights for these trucks, and they're in the $100 range. I think a little bit more than $100, and a lot of people seem to use those, but there's also there's some complaints about them that they're almost too bright, and a lot of people flash the high beams at you because you're blinding them and whatnot. So I didn't want to go super bright, so hopefully these are like the perfect brightness for me. We'll see how they work and see if there's any flicker problems or anything like that. These are, like I said, these are only like $40 on Amazon. I'm only doing the low beams for now. I'm going to do the high beams another day. But yeah, let me show you real quick. I have the one driver side in, and I'll show you the difference already. Alright guys, so you can see the difference. So over there, driver side, I just installed that one, and that's the stock one. So it's not dark yet, but you can already see how much brighter that the driver side one is. So I'll do some tests here once it gets dark. Maybe I'll take a little drive here with the new ones in. When you open up the box, this is all you get. They're just bulbs, and pretty happy with them so far. Like I said, they're definitely way brighter than the stock halogen ones, so that's an upgrade just right there alone. After driving at night with them, we'll see how bright they actually are, and maybe one day I'll get the LasFit ones and we'll compare these ones to those or something. So I'm just going to install the other one. They're super easy to install on this truck. It's really windy out, so you guys are going to have to just bear with me. I only took out 3 of those screws. One right here, one right here, and one right there. So I'm just going to put this side back together. You have this little rubber grommet cap that goes over. So put that back on. There we go. That is a pain to get on. Alright, so if you can see, I'll take this one out, this one right here, and one right here. It's all the ones you really need to take out. Yeah, gotta love some wind. Gotta love that PA wind. So this just pops right down. Pull some of it out of there. Careful you don't rip it. That's as far as I can go, right there, I guess. If you guys can see this, it's hard to see in here. If I go, okay. Bottom one's high beam, top one's low beam. I'm doing the top one. Just pull this little rubber cover right off, and she's in there. You're gonna just turn it counterclockwise, and you can actually see it in there. so it'll help you when you're going to line it up. There's 3 little notches that need to line up, and it pulls right out. So you can do this when you're going to put the new one in. This can help you line up those notches. You can see it all from right here. So taking this one out, back to right here, there's just this little clip at the end right there. Right here, you push this little end part in and it should come right out. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. Push that clip in, this comes right out just like that. All right, so this new one, it's the same thing as the old bulb you just took out. You just literally just plug it in and then put it in place. Push it right in. Okay, it's in there. Then you come back over to the front here. Need to get it in there. Once you get it, you need to like fit it in there, just like this. Looks like that's gonna fit all the way in. And you're gonna turn it clockwise. When you're looking at it like this, that's counterclockwise, but when you're in there turning it, it's clockwise. So if you're looking at it like this, to take it out, you turn it clockwise, and then to put it in counterclockwise. But if you're looking at it, it's all depending on how you look at it. Let me fire up the truck and make sure that they both work. There she is. Much brighter than before, I can already tell. So I don't know what the camera's picking up, but there's no flickering or no nothing in real life. They look perfect. They're actually really bright. Alright, here we go. This is the new lights. The LED lights. This is the first time I've used them in the dark. And they're really bright. They're definitely a lot brighter than the halogen ones. Pretty happy so far. Oh yeah, they're definitely a lot brighter. You can even see, if you use the high beams, you can see how the high beams are yellow. Yeah, these are definitely a lot brighter. Pretty sweet. I like them. You can see pretty good with these lights. Now, I don't know how they compare to the Lays Fit or Labs Fit or whatever, but these are really, really bright, really nice, and just a straight plug and play. But yeah, these lights are just a direct plug and play option, so it's a really, really easy upgrade to your truck. Literally all you do is unplug the factory bulb and plug these new ones in, and we're gonna see how long they last. So I think the Labs Fit ones, I think they have like a fan maybe and a way to get the hot air out, and so they might last longer, but we'll see how long these ones last. All right guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Those are the Headlight LEDs. I think they're H11 bulbs I just put in, and I'm actually really happy with them so far. So they're definitely a lot brighter than the halogens that I had, but they don't seem to be too bright yet. So like, that's the one thing I was worried about. Like I said about the Labs Fit, is a lot of people complain that they're actually too bright and you blind people. So They're definitely, these ones are definitely a lot brighter, but I think they're just exactly what I wanted. And now I can get the high beams and do the high beams too. But so far everything seems to be working great. I have no like flicker issues or nothing like that. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can buy these same ones if you want to. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to drop a big thumbs up down below. Really helps out the video, helps it reach a wider audience. And if you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Peace.